In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add email data in Google Sheets when we receive new starred emails in Gmail. So let's start. Select Gmail as a trigger. Then choose Get Email as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link in Account. Next, select a label. In this case, we have to choose starred. In steps, we have to add a new row on Google Sheets. For that, select Google Sheets, choose Add Row as Action, select an existing connection and click on Link in Account. Next, select the desired spreadsheet and choose the sheet number. Choose the subject, add message using Gmail app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Gmail, compose email and send. Mark the email important by starring it. Then go to Journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Google Sheets. We can see a new row being added on the Google Sheet. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add email data in Google Sheets when we mark Gmail email as important. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.